my dear students, this is Manjunathan, your maths teacher. I am very happy to see you all through this video. In this video, we are going to see 8th standard mathematics measurements. In measurements, we are going to see circle. First, we are going to see the definition of a circle. A circle is a set of points given a distance from one point called the center. The distance from the center is called radius. Next, circumference. The distance around the circle. Diameter. The distance from the circle through the circle's center to the circle on the opposite side. Diameter is 2 times of radius. The distance from the center the circle to the circle, radius is half of the diameter. Next, area of the circle. So first we know the area of the circle formula. Area is denoted by A equal to pi r square. So next, area of a sector. Area of sector is look like a piece of cake or a piece of pizza. This is called area of sector. So if theta is measured in the degree, then area of sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. The three important formulas of this unit is length of arc L equal to theta by 360 to 2 pi r units, and area of the sector equal to A equal to theta by 360 into pi r square units. Perimeter of the sector equal to L plus 2r. Here L is length of arc. Based on these formulas, we are going to see one problem. Example 2.1. The radius of sector is 21 centimeter and its central angle is, that is theta, is 120 degree. Find the length of the arc. And second Roman, area of the sector, and third Roman, perimeter of the sector. If the question, example 2.1, the radius of sector is 21 centimeter and its central angle is 120 degree. Find the length of the arc, area of the sector, and perimeter of the sector. And the answers are: first one, in the question itself, the given radius r equal to 21 centimeter, central angle theta equal to 120 degree. First we are going to find length of the arc. We know that the length of the arc formula is L equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r units. Here we substitute theta value as well as pi and r values. Theta value is 120 degree divided by 360 into 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value 21. First here we cancel 0 0, 120 by 360, 0 0 we cancel first. Next one we simplify with using 12 table. 1 12s are 12, 3 12s are 36. Next, cancelling 21 by 7 with using 7 table. 1 7s are 7, 3 7s are 21. Next we cancel 3 3. Therefore the remaining terms are 2 into 22. We know that 2 22s are 44. So the required length of the arc value L equal to 44 centimeter. Next we are going to find area of the sector A. Area of the sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square units. Here also we substitute theta value as well as radius r value. So therefore 120 by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into r square value 21 into 21. Here also we cancelling 0 0, and with using 12 table we cancelling 12 and 36, we get 1 by 3. And next we cancelling 7 and 21 with using 7 table. 1 7s are 7, 3 7s are 21. Next 3 3 are cancelled. The remaining terms are 22 into 21. So 22 into 21 values are 462. Therefore the required area of the sector A equal to 462 square centimeter. Next we are going to find perimeter of the sector with using formula P equal to L plus 2R. I already told you L value means length of the arc. That value we already found in the first Roman, 44 centimeter. With using that to find perimeter, so perimeter formula is P equal to L plus 2R. P equal to L value 44 into 2 into R value 21. So 44 plus 2 21s are 42. Therefore P value equal to 86 centimeter. That is perimeter of the sector P equal to 86 centimeter. That's all.